It's your girl SosoBRIA, and I'm going to do something new for you guys, something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Hey y'all, so before my camera wanted to be rude and disrespectful and turn off on me, I was saying that I'm starting a new segment. It's going to be on self-care, so it will include DIY projects. It will include my fitness journey that I'm starting, and everything that involves self-care and taking care of yourself mentally, physically, emotionally. I love hot yoga. I haven't done it in a while, so I'm going to take you on that road. I love natural products. I'm going to take you on that journey with me also, and finding new different products that matches my skin. And so I have been getting a breakout right here for the past, it comes and goes for the past year. So I'm still trying to figure out new products and different ways to make my skin the best that it can be. I didn't have any acne when I was growing up, so I'm kind of thinking that this is like my time where I'm like getting acne, even though it's right here. I think this is more stress related. I have been going through a lot this past year with everything as far as with me trying to start businesses and financially and just everything that goes along with being in your 20s. So with that being said, today I'm going to do a DIY coffee scrub. I added lots of products in here. Well, not a lot of products, but they're all natural products. So I have my coffee. I added some olive oil, coconut oil, and some almond oil. That's really good for your skin. So if you're like me, when I do my mask or like my facial care products, I like to brush my teeth first. I don't know, it just makes me feel much cleaner. I don't know, so that's what I'm going to do first. Oh, that's so wrong. So after I've done that, the next thing that I'm going to do is basically, even though my hair is not in my face, normally I would just have like my scarf on, whatever you use to pull your hair back as far as with cleaning your face, because you want to make sure that none of the products get into your hair. Even if it does a little bit, this is natural product, so it'll be okay, but I gotta keep my edges secure. So as I do that, I'm going to clean my face because I've been working all day, so I don't want to put a mask on with a dirty face. I've been outside, it's been a nasty day, raining, and it was snowing this morning. So what I'm going to use is this aloe soap that I purchased from this lady that does natural products. So basically what I'm doing is just cleaning off my skin from working all day, being outside, being around people, just all the dirtiness, just getting off. And it smells so good. want to just make sure that one, all the soap is off of your face, and then just dry it off, and that way your skin is fresh and clean for your mask. People would probably kill me if they saw me using Fenty Beauty, the thing to use my put my mask on, but I'm not a big makeup person, so it's not a big deal to me. And I just wanted it because it was Rihanna. So please make sure if you're going to do a mask period, regardless of it's natural or not, make sure that your brush is clean. I use Dr. Bronner's to clean my brushes. If you have any other suggestions to clean brushes, please let me know, because I'm not a makeup expert, so I definitely need to know the best products as far as with makeup and cleansing your products. I prefer natural stuff, so just let me know down there. Put it all over my face. Some people like using their hands. I'm not a big fan of that, but it's whatever you want. I just rather use something to brush it on, especially when you're, oops, I'm getting all over the place. Okay, yeah, I'm clumsy, so please don't mind me. So I'm gonna get this all over my face. So I have it all on, y'all. Some parts. I don't have any type of forehead, so I don't have to use that much for my forehead. And there we go. So I have my coffee mask on. I'm probably going to keep it on for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can get all into my pores and be all natural and whatnot. Oh, you're so wrong. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I washed my face, I moisturized. As you can see, it just makes me look so just refreshing. I feel refreshed. I feel really nice and good inside. And so if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make next. I'm all about natural products. I'm all about DIY products. And I want to start this self-care journey on YouTube. So just let me know what you think.